For method 8, we learn some theorem. First theorem, for any prime p, for any prime number p, if p is factor of a square, if p is factor of a square, it is symbol. P is factor of a square, then p is factor of a. P is factor of a. Factor should be written at first. P is factor, so it should be written at first. Then vertical line, then main number a square, a, like this. For example, 2 is prime number. 2 is prime number and 2 is factor of 36. 2 is factor of 36. Then 2 is also factor of 6. We have to take square root only the number at right side. Right side number जो है उसका स्क्वायर रूट लो. 2 is factor of 36, then 2 is factor of 6 only. We have to use this theorem in next theorem to prove next theorem. Theorem 2, for any prime number p, root p is irrational. Any root of any prime number, any root, square root, cube root, fourth root, any root of any prime number is always irrational number. So, prove this. Proof: let p is rational number. Let p is rational number. So we can take, root p is rational number. Let root p is rational number. So we can take root p is equal to a upon b. Root p is equal to a upon b, where b should not be 0 and HCF of a and b is equal to 0. 1. Where b is not equal to 0 and HCF of a and b is equal to 1. Now square both sides. P is equal to a square upon b square. Squaring both sides, we get p is equal to a square upon b square. Therefore, a square is equal to p into b square. A square is equal to p into b square. If we divide a square by b square, we get quotient p. So p is a factor of a square. P is a factor of a square. Therefore, utilize above theorem. P is factor of a. If p is factor of a, then if we divide a by p, we get quotient m and remainder 0. If we divide a by p, we get quotient m and remainder 0, where m is any integer, any positive integer. Therefore, square both sides. A square is equal to p square into m square. Number 2, comparing 1 and 2 results. A square is equal to pb square and a square is equal to p square m square. Then we can write p into b square is equal to p square into m square. divide both side by p. So we get b square is equal to p into m square. B square is equal to p into m square. Therefore, p is a factor of b square. Therefore, p is a factor of b. If p is a factor of b, p is a factor of a, then p is common factor of p is common factor of a and b. Therefore, HCF of a and b is equal to p. HCF of a and b is equal to p. But we take HCF of a and b is equal to 1. It is 1. HCF of a and b is equal to 1. Therefore, our assumption, therefore there is contradiction. There is contradiction. Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root p is not rational. That means root p is irrational. This is important method. Method 8 is divided into 4 parts. Method 8 is divided into 4 parts. First, single numbers, single terms given. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 11, root 15, like this are rational numbers. So that root 2, root 3, root 5, root 11, root 15, like this are rational numbers. Second method, 3 plus or minus root 5 is irrational number. Sorry, these are irrational numbers. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 11, root 15 are irrational numbers. Second method, 3 plus or minus root 5 is irrational number. Third, root 72, which can be written as 6 root 2. There is multiplication between rational and irrational. This type of numbers is irrational number, in which we have to simplify the factorize given numbers and simplify it. Fourth type, both are irrational numbers. Root 3 plus root 2 is irrational numbers. Again, only one numbers which cannot be simplified, like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 11, root 15, root 17 are irrational numbers. So that second method, one number is composite rational, one number is rational and another is irrational. There is addition or subtraction between them. This type of numbers are irrational numbers. Third, given numbers is composite and can be simplified in rational and multiplication of rational and irrational numbers, which is irrational number. And last method, both are irrational numbers which is added or subtracted from. They are irrational numbers.